Most business owners who are installing AI right now are essentially creating glorified search engines that isn't too different from Google search. I've personally put AI into 80 businesses over the last couple of months, and the ones that actually made money from it, they all had one thing in common. They stopped installing tools and started installing systems. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 7 builds that reliably generate cash for me and my clients every single month. One of them took a business who had around 150 leads a month and added $250,000 in commission without changing the ad or spending any more money or hiring anyone. Here are the 7 builds, but before I get into it, my name's Chris Bradley. I own the MRR agency, and it is my job to work with companies to position them against competitors, run their marketing end to end, and install AI infrastructure to their business so they can make more money, save time, and ultimately build the business that they wanted to build. So here it is. The way that I've put AI into 80 of my clients' businesses. We are going to start with number 1, which is the speed to lead agent. We have got 7 here, and I'm going to give you the best one down here. I'm going to show you some of the stuff live, not just text only, so look out for that. But number 1 is the speed to lead agent. So really simple. I'm sure you've saw this before. Everybody talks about it, the speed to lead agent. Personally, you might think that it's overplayed and everybody talks about it and stuff, but it's what companies need, and it is one of the most effective strategies to install. It feels like the whole AI space is just like overselling these things, but you just have to work with enough companies to know that they are terrible at getting back to leads. So this particular speed to lead agent is trained on your offer and your voice. It fires a tailored message within 2 minutes, and it works 24/7. So this speed to lead agent, actually, the client that I was working with, when we did a bit of an AI audit, we realized that on average over the course of a month, it was taking them like 5 hours to get back to prospects, and we got it down to 2 minutes. And as we know, the first to respond wins every single time. So that was the first build. If I quickly show you up here what that looks like. So here, really simple. They starts off with a message coming from a Facebook ad. They get an opening message, looks at the right person. So is this the right person from the Facebook ad? Yes or no. So confirm that the prospect. What's their main goal? This particular one was built for a reformer Pilates studio. And then we get down to urgency, we get down to the nutrition situation, starting constraints. Do you want to visit the facility to see it first, or do you want to just book an intro right now? And you can see here's handling objections, all of this good stuff, all the way through to the booking. Of course, you can see the brain here, training them up on the brain, the knowledge of the business. So that's the first thing, really simple, speed to lead agent that we installed. Next up, we have this, number 2, which is the Claude brain. You'll have saw me if you've been watching enough of my videos. This is your IP, your voice, your process, loaded into a central AI that runs every single thing. Now, this is the master doc that we have given to I think 600 people by now. It lives inside the school group. You can see here, I have a Claude with Chris. You can click the link in the description if you want to join. And yeah, there's a Claude Brain section where you install your full Claude Brain into your business. It's incredibly popular. You basically just fill in this master doc, and before you know it, you've trained up Claude on your entire business. Why this matters? Well, this matters in order to make money, for you to train up your marketing and sales department based on all of your business, for it to then generate a strategy for you to make money, cold emails, DMs, marketing, ads, you name it, it's all there. So number 2 is Claude Brain. Number 3 is a cash generator. So this is the lead quality and routing agent. So this qualifies, scores, routes. So hot leads get booked straight away, warm leads get nurtured, and nothing wasted. Now this is slightly different and a more advanced version of the speed to lead agent. So this is really just like, qualifying, scoring it, and routing it to specific staff members based on the answers that they give. And anybody who's a hot lead gets obviously fast tracked into the highest performing team member, or the process that we can get in touch with them straight away. And I'm going to show you an example of this, 250k annual commission, same leads, better handling. So it looks a bit like this, and I'm not going to run through it in its entirety just for the sake of the video not getting too long, but you can see here 3 entry points: Facebook and Instagram leads, website inquiry form, direct WhatsApp message. It goes to the central engine. So this particular one is a WhatsApp AI conversation engine. It's not a chatbot or a decision tree, it's a live AI agent that holds natural back and forth dialogue. So step 1, the lead arrives, AI fires a tailored opener, similar to speed to lead agent, but this is where it gets even better. Live qualification, so budget, location, timeline, decision making status. Step 3, do they book or nurture? Hot leads get booked immediately. Warm leads enter a 14-day nurture sequence. So the hot leads get taken straight to book a phone call, and we can add an AI agent phone call here, or ideally the human phones them straight away because of the nature of the lead and how hot the lead is. Step 4, we hand it off to a rep. So a qualified lead is routed with full context, the score, and the conversation history. So So the 5 things that we build and deploy here: WhatsApp AI lead qualification agent, 14-day nurture and re-engagement sequence, AI lead scoring and rep routing, CRM data enrichment and GHL integration, database reactivation campaign. So the return, of course, current state was 150 leads a month at 3% conversion rate, 5-hour response time, leading to this. Now the same 150 leads get 7 to 12 follow-up touches automated, responds within 2 minutes, 250k additional commission, 24/7 coverage including weekends, 10 additional deals per year is the projected state for that at that time for this particular agent. So that's the lead quality and routing agent. Moving on to number 4, we have Sales Doctor. Now this is very, very important, and the one I'm going to show you is just a custom GPT. You can build this bespoke to your business, and you can connect it with Fathom and all these kind of call recordings. But this one's trained on hundreds of hours of real sales calls, and it diagnoses what worked and what lost the deal. This is a 60-second call audit. Your reps improve without a sales cop. So if you're doing your calls, you improve. If you're not and you have reps doing the calls, they of course improve. And it looks like this, just a Sales Doctor, where you get expert level feedback on your sales calls in 60 seconds. Just drop your transcript or summary and the Sales Doctor diagnoses what worked, what flopped, and exactly how to close more deals. Now this particular, we built this on ChatGPT, a custom GPT, which might sound, oh, that's not a very big AI build out, but for a lot of our clients, they don't need anything fancier than this, and we're able to control this and train this up. So every single month we get the sales calls of our clients that they share, and then we retrain and continue to train this up. And listen, sometimes you just need simple AI tools that are affordable and easy to give to your clients that they can use and don't get overwhelmed with. And so this is a massive contributor to sales for our clients because they get real-time feedback, and therefore they increase their close rate. We score them on that, their KPI, and they make more money. So it's an incredible tool. It's so simple as well. So that's number 4. Let's look at number 5, which is Apify. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Apify. I don't sponsor any AI tools. I'm not sponsored by any of them, but this is an incredible tool for a number of reasons. I won't get too much into this video today, but I will show you some stuff. So Apify data layer, so it scrapes any website, any Instagram, any LinkedIn, any YouTube, you name it. It structures things and it feeds real-time data into your AI. So you can go to Apify website, get your API key and connect it to Claude and just start pulling whatever you need. So if we look at Google Maps scraper, for example, it just always has a whole bunch of scrapes. You can type in here whatever you want to type in. So let's say you're a gym and you want to scrape all the gyms in London, like this, for example, and you want to get 50 or you want to get 60, 70. So for me, for example, if I wanted to attract more gyms, I would go and find gyms in London, and the goal here is for me to find leads that I can contact, message them and say, hey, sorry you don't have a website. I've built one for you. Would you like to buy it? Here it is. And so if I'm a website builder, I can go and approach these leads. So that's very much a money-making AI tool. And so we have other things like Facebook comment scraper, website. The list is endless, to be honest, and it's very cheap, this. So I highly recommend you use it. I particularly use it for Instagram Reels, YouTube, Google Profile, Google Business and stuff to scrape leads from my clients. But you can see here, the opportunities are endless for you to make money with this particular tool. I'm going to make a separate video on this, but for now, just know that you should come in here. I'm sure there's a lot of YouTube videos that will cover Apify in detail, but make sure you don't get overwhelmed with it and just use it for your particular use case. So that's Apify. Number 6, we have Google Business Profile Engine. Now this is incredible, right? We want to get to the point where our clients show up on AI. So when when a prospect searches gyms near me or real estate agents near me or anything like that, you appear in ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, but also your SEO is optimized, AI search done for them, ranks on ChatGPT, Google and Perplexity, early Facebook ads opportunity. So to me, doing this and doing it well, it reminds me of Facebook ads in 2013. Most businesses haven't even started it and our clients have. So I'll give you a little look into what this looks like. So this is for an example. So we can, build this for our clients, completely optimize all their information all the way through to make sure that they show up top 3 on Google Maps. This is a client I've just started this with. It's a gym, and we are aiming to get this page ranked exactly where it needs to rank in the specific areas, and therefore generate more leads in sales. And if this is still very useful if you're an online business as well, because you can build reviews on this. And the way that we've worked this is we have AI automated stuff coming up, AI posting, and every Sunday we send a report to our client. It's completely fulfilled by the AI, and our clients absolutely love it. They appear top in the search, And of course, they are ready to be shown in AI categories and search engines as well, which is a huge game changer. So that's Google Business Profile Engine that we install for our clients. Next up, number 7 is the content to client system. Now this is just a simple one, but it's something that is so simple, stupid, that is incredible. It's one post, ManyChat triggers, Claude qualifies in the DMs if you want them to, and it book calls without ad spend. So post, DM, booked. And this is really a simple ManyChat automation that you can use, go high level and stuff as well. But for me, it's really this simple. Hey, click the button, send the link, and you make sure that they follow you before they get the thing. And so not only do you get a follower, but you also give them the thing. And this is just incredible. Like, we rinse this to the high heavens, and it's got me like 1,500 followers in the last sort of 30 days or so, maybe a little bit more than that. It's incredible, and it's so simple. Obviously, the goal here is that you can use Apify and other tools, scrape some pages that you take inspiration from, create your content strategy, make sure you get your keywords laid out, and grow your following, and that give people value. If you go head over to my Instagram, you'll see this is exactly what I do with my keywords. You can see here 105 comments. Here's the video, here's the training, comment the word, and these people appear in my DMs. So that's number 7. And so how do we round this up? Well, if we look here, let's look at the build that pays the most, certainly for what we've experienced. It's number 3, it's the lead quality and routing agent. It's absolutely incredible. You can see the results that we've had with it, and we can build this for your business if that's something that you need. So I want to very quickly finish on giving you something here, which is the 7 AI builds that actually pay. So you watch this video, the chances are you're going to forget it tomorrow. I'd love to make sure you get this, a tangible thing. It's a one-off, one-pager. All you have to do is come over to Instagram, find me on Instagram, and DM me the number 7, and I'll send you that one-pager. Obviously, if you're looking for more stuff that we can provide, Claude with Chris is there. You can join it, very, very cheap. You can come in and basically sit the full Claude course, learn everything Claude, update things every single week on there, multiple things. And yeah, that is essentially it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Go and use AI to make money, and I'll see you in the next video.